Hi, Lou. Hi, big girl. Be a good girl. Alright. So Jessica and I just went and picked up this insulation. It's 3/4 inch 4x8 sheets. We got 9 of them. We're hoping, don't mind the rocks, they're just kind of counterbalanced because we're on a hill. We don't have leveling jack stands yet. It's on the list. But we're gonna cut that stuff into the sheets. That's gonna fit in between our studs. And then we'll apply wood over the top of that. We got our insulation from Lowe's. It's like somewhere between 10 and 15 a sheet. Something like that. Cool. Good stuff. We should have got contractors' trash bags while we were there.
We should have brought options.
So evidently the easiest way to cut these is with a non-serrated sharp edge, like a razor or a kitchen knife.
Let's try a big one.
Alright. This one. And I don't know if do you want to do this today?
I don't know. If we're gonna do it, I want to do it today.
And do you want to?
I want to be done with insulation today.
Okay. Hi, Lou.